Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how the Repeater tab works in Burp Suite. The Repeater tab allows you to manually modify and resend HTTP requests to the web server, which is helpful for testing how the server responds to different inputs, changes in request parameters, headers, or methods. This tool is valuable for analyzing application behavior and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Let's begin. Open your web browser and visit the URL 0.webappsecurity.com. Click the Sign In button, enter valid credentials, and click on Sign In button. Go to Transfer Funds tab, enter an amount and description. Go to Burp Suite, navigate to Intercept tab and click on Intercept is Off button. To turn on the traffic interception, go to the browser and submit the transaction request by clicking Continue button. In Burp Suite, open the intercepted request, right-click on it, and select Send to Repeater. Turn off the interception and open the Repeater tab. Submit the original request by clicking Send button. The server sends a response with 200 OK status code. Modifying the request, change the post method to head and resend the request. The response will indicate that only the post method is allowed. Next, change the method to options and resend the request. The response will display the allowed methods. Then, change the method to trace and resend the request. The response will show that the trace method is not allowed with 405 error status code. Change the method to put and resend the request. The response shows that put method is not allowed. You can also observe web server version Apache Tomcat 7.0.70 within the response received from web server. Finally, change the method to delete and resend the request. However, the delete method is not supported and we do not receive any response from the web server. This demonstrates how the Repeater tab can be used to test different request methods and observe the server's responses. Similarly, this tab can be used to manipulate parameter values for any request. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cyber security related videos.